Thank you. Oh, do you want to hold on to the machine? Right, you go. Don't go in the water. Whoa. Oh yeah, I see what you mean. Oh. Yeah, that's it opposite.
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to do.
It is, yeah. So we're on the Seaquarium, and it's a bit rocky, isn't it? But it's good.
Yes. You definitely wouldn't want more than 2 adults in here.
Oh. No. I think I'm like facing the wrong way.
Sorry. Can't turn it, can you? Go that way.
What?
Parrotfish.
Parrotfish. Fish choir. Fish school. Jaws. Love that. Fish school. Fish nursery. Oh.
Quite a nice little ride this, isn't it?
Yeah, for kids, it's really good. Entrance. Oh well. Animal fish. Nightclub fish. They're shooting each other.
Yeah.
Quite long, isn't it? Beefing fish. Oh, spine fish. fish.